The generator sizing KVA interactive calculator determines the right generator size for your electrical loads. This calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. Calculate required KVA from total load, calculate from individual loads with starting currents, 3-phase generator sizing, calculate maximum kW load from generator KVA, parallel generator configuration, and altitude and temperature derating. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate required KVA from total load. The input fields are total running load in kilowatts, power factor, starting load factor, and safety margin percentage. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 25 kilowatts for total running load, 0.8 for power factor, 1.25 for starting load factor, and 25% for safety margin. After clicking Calculate Generator Size, here are the results. The required generator KVA is 48.8 kVA. The equivalent power shows 39.1 kilowatts. Peak starting KVA is also 39.1 kVA. The calculator recommends a standard size of 50 kVA generator. The status confirms that our safety margin is within the recommended range of 15 to 40%. This ensures your generator can handle both running and starting loads with appropriate safety margin. Find the link in the description below.